How to find each app notification sound settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find each app notification sound settings on your Android phone. First in open settings, and now just scroll down until you find apps, and here we'll find apps again. Click on it, and now just select any app you want here, and then just click notifications, and not this one, let's select another app like chess. And now just as you see here, you can find notification type, and you can change any notification type sounds, and here we can find it, notification sounds, and select it, select any sound you want, and then just go back, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to find each app notification sound settings on your Android phone. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.